We have a fiber optic automatic grinding integrated system. The full line occupies 10 meters times 11 meters and integrates car-based feeding, ultrasonic cleaning, 6-axis robotic loading, unloading, 4-stage automatic grinding, automatic tray placement, acid pickling and passivation, and CCD visual inspection -8 major stations in total. This system was designed for high-volume production clients. But then smaller clients came to us and said, I don't need a line this big, I only need the grinding capability. If our grinding process hadn't undergone standardized refinement, we could only have responded, sorry, we can't do that, or started from scratch designing a smaller machine. But in reality, we extracted the most critical grinding processes from the entire line: 4-stage intelligent grinding, 6-axis robotic pad changing, and fixture cleaning and drying, and condensed everything into a compact grinding machine occupying just 1.6 meters times 1.5 meters. The full line and the compact version have different requirements and configurations, but the core grinding process standards are exactly the same. This is the power of standardized refinement. The same proven process core can be flexibly fitted into shells of different sizes.